Okay, this is my 92 Miata 1.6 liter NA, and today I'm doing a exhaust manifold exchange because my old one cracked. The one that this one came with cracked. I think it was when I was reinstalling the rest of the exhaust system, and when I was fiddling with trying to put the hangers on and everything like that, I had already bolted it on, and I believe I accidentally cracked the header at that time. I'm guessing, I'm not sure. It was fine when it was originally installed. Took it off, it was okay, put it back on. Now it has a crack in it, and it sounded like it was straight piped. So I went ahead and bought a Cobalt header, and this is the California compliant one. You can see it's got the stamp on there. You can see that, because California is pretty lame, but you gotta do what you gotta do. This was normally $600. Right after my header that's currently on there cracked, I went and looked at this one, and it was on sale for $500. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger and just bought it, and used the tax return to pay that off. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install that. It should be pretty simple. We just have some 14mm nuts that go in here, and then 2 nuts on the cat that hooks onto the downpipe, or excuse me, hooks onto the header. And then yeah, that should be pretty much it. Hopefully that's it, but we'll see. I think this exhaust system is for a different Miata, because the hangers don't line up perfectly about just before the rear driver's side tire. That hanger is pretty far off, about a foot. So I don't know what exhaust system this one is actually for. I'm guessing an NB, just my guess, but not sure. Yeah, let's get to it. That blows. Well, just as I feared, the exhaust, or the studs on the cat, don't even come close to lining up with the new header. So let's see if I can show you. Oh, so this is the old system that's on here. right? Already kind of propped up with the tote. And here we have, here we have our new shiny header. Beautiful. Right. Here's the nuts that came with it. Right, not even close. Right, not a big deal. It's just unfortunately, this also doesn't fit in here, which I could drill it out, but the other problem that comes with it is you can see that this is essentially almost even with the ground, the point between the two bolts, and that is at quite an angle, almost a 30-degree angle, sitting like this, which means in order for that to line up to that, it's gonna have to even more, which won't work out. So you gotta figure something else out for this guy, or just get the rest of the Cobalt system, which I can't afford. So more waiting around.